Maths headaches? Not anymore. Join our video series and solve word problems with ease, one question at a time, and boost your mind power. Let's get started. 1. If Sally has 5 apples and gives 2 to her friend, how many apples does she have left? A 2, B 3, C 4, D 5. You have 10 seconds to answer this. Time's up. The correct answer is B 3. 2. If a train travels at 60 miles per hour, how far will it travel in 3 hours? A 120 miles, B 150 miles, C 180 miles, D 200 miles. Your time starts now. Time's up. The correct answer is C, 180 miles. 3. If a box contains 24 chocolates and 8 are eaten, how many chocolates are left? A 12, B 14, C 16, D 18. Your time starts now. Time's up. The correct answer is C 16. 4. If Mary buys 3 books for $15 each and a notebook for $5, how much money does she spend? A $30, B 35, C $40, D $45. Your time starts now. Time's up. The correct answer is B $35. 5. If there are 20 students in a class and 4 of them are absent, how many students are present? A 14, B 15, C 16, D 17. Try to answer before 10 seconds. Did you get it right? The correct answer is a 14. 5. If a car travels at an average speed of 50 miles per hour, how long will it take to travel 200 miles? A 2 hours, B 3 hours, C 4 hours, D 5 hours. Try to answer as fast as you can. Time's up. The correct answer is a 2 hours. 7. If a recipe calls for 2 cups of flour and you want to make half the recipe, how many cups of flour do you need? A 0.5 cups, B 1 cup, C 1.5 cups, D 2 cups. Your time starts now. Stop thinking. Your time is up. The correct answer is B, 1 cup. 8. If a garden has 24 flowers and a third of them are roses, how many roses are there? A 6, B 8, C 10, D 12. Your time starts now. Time's up. The correct answer is B, 8. 9. If a pizza is cut into 8 slices and 3 slices are eaten, How many slices are left? A. 3, B. 4, C. 5, D. 6. Time starts now. Stop! Time's up. The correct answer is C. 5. You came till end. This means you have a genius mind. Now answer the last one. 10. If a store sells pencils for $0.5 each and Maria buys for pencils, how much does she spend? A. $1, B. 2, C. $3, D. $4. Your time starts now. The clock stopped ticking. The correct answer is B. $2. Got any answers right? Let us know in the comment section. Sharpen your mind by solving questions like this on daily basis. Subscribe to our channel if you want to compete an average mind person. Share this video and get smarter every day.